Visible staining on the ceiling below a bathroom with a toilet is a clear sign that an old installation method has failed and a full replacement is likely needed. A failing toilet installation often starts with slow leaks that show as brown or yellow stains on the ceiling below where the fixture sits above another room. Check the subfloor around the toilet for softness by pressing with the heel of your hand and probing with a flat tool. A spongy feel indicates water has compromised the structural sheathing and joist edges may be rotting. Persistent sewer or musty odors after cleaning usually point to a failed wax seal or deteriorated flange that no longer holds a gas-tight connection to the drain. If the toilet rocks or moves at the base when you apply pressure, the flange or its anchoring screws are compromised and temporary caulks or sealants will not fix the underlying support failure. Recurring leaks after repeated repairs signal that the original installation geometry, flange height or pipe slope, is incorrect and partial fixes are masking the real problem. For assessment, remove the toilet and inspect the flange for cracks, corrosion, or being below finished floor level. Measure the bolt holes and flange mortise, and if the subfloor is soggy, cut a small access panel to confirm joist condition before deciding on full replacement. Common mistakes include relying on multiple layers of caulk or sealant to stop leaks, which only hides a failed wax or rubber ring and lets rot spread, so replace the seal and inspect the flange and subfloor instead of reapplying silicone. Another issue is reinstalling a toilet onto a flange that sits too low or is broken. That produces permanent misalignment and rocking. So use a flange extender kit or reconstruct the flange and raise it to the correct height before setting a new fixture. A third frequent problem is ignoring slow sealing stains until structural damage is severe. Address the leak source immediately, remove the damaged subfloor and sealing drywall if they are saturated, and replace the toilet assembly with proper flange, bolts, and a new wax or rubber gasket to prevent recurrence. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with local contractors who perform full toilet replacements and subfloor repair, and we provide resources to guide decision-making for these projects. We also offer a community discussion forum where homeowners and contractors exchange experiences, recommendations, and practical tips so we can all learn from real repair stories.